First of all, we need to download a XAMPP server to run the WordPress. So that is why I'm just going to the Google and clicking to download the WordPress. And now I have to download WordPress. As you can see in the download button, XAMPP, just click there over there, and you can download the Windows. The XAMPP for Windows. And now just you can see here I have already downloaded the installer before. I just click over there, and it will take some time to install the XAMPP server. As you know, to run the website we will need a server, and XAMPP is a remote server. That means offline server where we can check our website, where we can run our website. So as you can it's taking some time to install the XAMPP server. So now you can see welcome to XAMPP. After warning, here it also warning, press OK, then press next, and as I have already installed the XAMPP server, so I do not need to install it again. So I press cancel, and after that I need to download the WordPress. Okay, as I have already downloaded the WordPress, so that is why. And now I need to make the variables, environmental. I have to set the environmental variable. So I have to go to now I can run the XAMPP by clicking in XAMPP control, and I can start over there and start and stop. Now I'm going to make the environmental variable as PSP. After that, PSP.exe extension. Now just right click and properties, go to properties. After that, advanced setting, click advanced setting. After that, environmental variable, and choose path, and choose to edit. There just click it, and after semicolon just paste the link that you have copied from XAMPP /PSP, and write psp.exe and semicolon. Okay, and type OK. As I have already done the environment variable, edited the keep the environment variable, so I do not need to do the rest of the work like apply OK and so on. Now we have to install the WordPress. So just say download WordPress also. Now you can check the localhost and dashboard will come, localhost dashboard. Just click phpMyAdmin. In there you can see the WordPress MySQL. You can create database. So we are going to install WordPress, so create database name WordPress, as I have already created, so no need to create that. And now it's my time to install WordPress. So I have already installed, and I need to extract to WordPress 6.7.1 folder. I'll click over there, and after some time I have already installed, so that's why this message is showing. And WordPress, as you can see in folder there is WordPress, so I need to click there is WordPress file, so right click it and copy it, click copy, and after that paste in XAMPP htdocs folder. Now you have to do certain setup in WordPress, as I have already pasted it over there, so no need to paste it. As you can see where I have shown the cursor, so that is why. Now let's go to WordPress setup. Okay, go to your browser and type localhost /WordPress. localhost/wordpress. Now then, and down, you have to do configuration of WordPress. Type let's go. After that, name the database name as you have given. Make database WordPress, so give WordPress and username. Write anything you want and password, and the password you like, and hit the run installation. And after that, you can give the title of your site, and username, as well as you can give the password and your email address. Okay. After that, wait for some. After that, you can log in and you can give the username and password. Okay, and just hit the login, and you will be logged in to the WordPress. Okay, you will be logged into the WordPress site. Okay, and this is how it's very easy job to set up the WordPress. Okay,